cervical disc replacement work? The surgery is performed to the front of the neck, that is anterior approach, similar to an ACDF, that is anterior cervical discectomy and fusion. But instead of fusing the bone, an artificial disc is inserted. Step by step, the procedure involves the incision, that is a small incision is made in the front of the neck. The disc is removed using the help of a microscope. The nerve is decompressed, that is the nerve is relieved from pressure. Then you place this artificial disc for that particular size of the disc. Then the skin is closed. The entire procedure takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, and most patients can be discharged the next day. So what are the benefits of cervical disc replacement over fusion? Compared to traditional spinal fusion, disc replacement offers several advantages. It preserves natural movement. The biggest benefit is that it maintains normal neck mobility. It reduces stress on the adjacent disc. Since the spine remains flexible, there is less risk of degeneration in the nearby disc. Faster recovery. Patients typically recover quicker than those undergoing fusion. There is a less risk of future surgeries. Fusion can lead to adjacent segment disease where the levels above and below wear out faster. Disc replacement, because it maintains the mobility, reduces this risk. Improved long-term outcomes. Studies have shown that better long-term motion and function with disc replacement compared to fusion.